Can crystals really shift your mood? Over 60% of users say yes. So today I'm unboxing and wearing a koi necklace from a company called Zencle. This signature piece is designed with the belief that wearing it can channel positive energy through the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the idea that the energy you put out into the world through your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs comes back to you. So basically, if you focus on positive thoughts and visualize what you want, you're more likely to attract positive experiences. The same goes the other way. Dwelling on negativity can draw more of it. Some recent U.S. statistics say about 12% of the U.S. adults say they possess crystals for spiritual purposes. That is through Pew or PEW Research Center. 70% of the U.S. adults describe them as spiritual in some way, or they say spirituality is very important in their lives. That's also from the PEW Research Center. I am super excited to unbox this and test it out. I certainly need all the positive energy I can get. So let's unbox this from Zencle and see how it goes. A company named Zencle reached out and asked me to unbox one of their koi necklaces. And I said absolutely, because I like crystals and I myself believe in the power of positivity and spirituality. So of course I wanted to unbox one of these. It came in just a black box here. They are primarily found on TikTok Shop. Of course, I'm addicted to TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop. I opened the package and this is how it comes. It comes bubble wrapped, gorgeous box here that's packaged up just like a jewelry store. How beautiful is that? It has a card with their company name and tips for crystal care on the back. It says tune your energy frequency, Zen, cycle, and clean. Also, I like this little touch. Gave me a little jewelry bag, just like you would find in a jewelry store. I give these as a gift. With Christmas coming up, this might be a perfect gift. I'm super excited to dig into this and see what this necklace looks like. Here's the box that says Zencle. Also have everything linked down in the description box for you, so you'll be able to find it on TikTok Shop if you want to check these out. That's how the box looks. It comes in a little pouch. Their packaging is superb. I give them an A+ for packaging. So it appears that this is a fish. How pretty is that? That is really cool. One thing I'll say I notice is this is something that my father would have loved. He was such a big fisherman. He would have got a kick out of that. This is not a traditional chain link. This is a rope, a pretty strong, stretchy rope. And look at that detail. The charms that dangle from it in these beautiful crystals here on the side. This necklace is absolutely gorgeous. And up here, it has an area where you can tighten it down. I want to make this a little shorter. I'm just going to pull down on that little slip knot back there, and I have just made this shorter. I really, really like that. We've got the charm hanging here. I like this a lot. Also, something else in here. And I'm curious about what this is. Is Stone of Calming and Soothing. Comes with a little card. Okay, These are bracelets. There's 3 in here. So we have 3 beautiful blue calming bracelets. Look at that sparkle from these crystals. These are gorgeous. This is a lot of attention to detail right here. I am giving Zencle an A+ for attention to detail. This is actually aquamarine. Look at these. How stunning are they? Aquamarine, in the affirmation, it helps reduce stress and promotes emotional balance. Yes, I need that. I have way more stress in my life than I need, and I will take all the help I can get. These are absolutely stunning. I think my favorite is this one right here. This little bit deeper of a blue, because it shines. It's got almost like a sparkle to it. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. So let's go over this company, Zencle, a little bit. So the Zencle Koi shaped pendant, which is this is the green one. This projects a serene light pattern symbolizing luck and flow. It's infused with Zen calm and cycle energy. It's a clean, modern talisman, perfect for adding a touch of fortune to your everyday vibe. I know I really, really need some positive energy in my life, so I am for sure gonna wear this. You can actually choose from different styles. They have wealth, romance, wellness, and harmony. Each pattern glows with its guardian's power. These are stunning. Well worth every penny you would pay for this, right down to the packaging and the fine detail on these. The fisheye, like this is gorgeous. You have this little jewel here that just hangs. It's funny too, because I was wearing my dad's ashes around my neck and I knew I was gonna unbox this today. Managed to put my hand up here. So I was, went to twist it and the chain broke, just broke right in my hand, and I barely even touched it. I'm almost thinking that that was my dad's sign that it's time to let go of him and wear this fish, because he liked to fish, and as I said, he would have been thrilled with seeing this. Well worth the money. I love this. The card actually has tips for crystal care, and it says that regular demagnetation is needed. Crystals absorb energy. To demagnetize them weekly, use clear quartz stones by placing them in a container and resting your crystals on top for 3 to 5 hours. Alternatively, place them on a crystal cluster or amethyst geode for 3+ hours and clean with water. So if you purchase one of these, it will come with a care card and tell you exactly how to care for your crystal. I am going to leave everything linked down in the description box below for TikTok shop and where you can find these jewels yourself. So check these out and possibly pick one up for yourself. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you believe in crystals? Are you a spiritual person who thinks that the power of crystals can influence the law of attraction? Drop it in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any experience with that, because I would love to have an open chat group about that. I want to know who all has different types of experiences with crystals and laws of attraction. Drop that in the comments and let's get a thread started. See what kind of power is out there for y'all. So absolutely check this company out. Well worth it. Will be linked in the description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.